What is good, everybody? Kessler Martin, Eric Oakley of Infinite Disc, Innova Champion Disc over here. We're at Solitude. We just hiked in. That's why I'm out of breath. But look at this view. Hole one, nice and easy. We're gonna have a blast out here. We're gonna show some shots and just enjoy a day of disc golf. Let's go. All right, one throw in. We are successful in finding. It's one of the parts about Solitude is you gotta really keep a watchful eye. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. I forgot how beautiful it was out here. Some of these shots are just so fun. Hole two, gorgeous. Leopard three. Hello to you too. Perfect. Oh no, you died.
Oh, class. Not bad.
Looks like we got a chariot.
Oh, this is Exodus.
Exodus, okay. There you go. Is it fading? Is it gonna fade enough?
Maybe the same tree? Same tree.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm on.
This tree's just mean, dude. I mean, it's providing us oxygen and being really cool and stuff, but let's go. Come on, Wendy. Yeah, it's all right. It's hard. I got a little putt too. Let's see if we can make it.
Oh yeah, yours is much better.
A little straddle.
Yeah, that's what I had to do too. Ooh. Good putt.
Oh man. Just look at this place though.
It's pretty stable. It got through decently.
That's not bad. Kayla Destroyer.
Same route. Throw
Most consistent on this hole.
and pray. A little wider. It's got the height though. Dude, the wind swatted you. Should be right in that gap though. Yeah, I can. Give it a look. Or we could just insert chain sounds and then they will never know. Ooh.
Throw it on Kaiser. This one should take it. Hey, Spears.
Let's go. Shout out to Paige.
Oh, I forgot we're at elevation.
Yeah, just goes. Oh, that's still great.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta.
He's so straight.
Wow.
Let's go.
DX AVR X3.
A lot of X.
Just get a little anti. Yeah. This button. Let's go. Jam. Is that good?
You got that. Oh yeah. Birdie frame.
Hole 11 out here. This one's it's assist. Just right there, looking at you. Come on. Little baby flex. Baby flex. Juicy. Nice shot, dude.
Does Eric have the baby flex shot?
Yeah, little alpaca. Back in my bag, into the herd a little bit.
baby.
Juice.
Dang.
That's a good line though.
Oh yeah.
So it's crazy. We were just talking about this as how different shots are at this elevation. When you get over on something while it's flying downhill, you might not have thrown it that hard.
No.
But it's gone.
Yeah.
And
I just threw a pig, a little Annie downhill. Didn't come out very quickly because it just had so much speed.
it just,
It's hell.
I've never seen a disc accelerate out of my hand
Yeah.
until I came to Solitude. Love it.
That pig should fade, especially
Fast.
being this high.
Yeah.
But yeah, the velocities out here is so different than just a standard flat course.
Yeah, even down in the valley, it's like you can actually still see disc fly, but out here it's a whole new world.
Oh, is that far enough? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, too
Oh,
far.
That's too far.
Taking a page out of Simon's book, we're gonna do a nature appreciation. Let's go.
Got the flattest hole in the course, I think.
Yes, it is. You going Halo Wraith?
Halo Ray.
GG run?
You know, this is before GG, before the first GG run.
Nice.
There's an X out, wipe the stamp, put my own on it. You know.
Look at that dude. That looks buckets, dude. There she go.
There it is. Go in the basket, dude.
Whoa! All right, let's go again. That was crazy. That was crazy. I was expecting,
To flip up.
yeah, a little
Yeah.
bit. It just stayed straight. It's been working right the whole way. Same spot. All right. Hole 18. She's way down there. Crazy. It's like, so far. There's the top of the mountain. All the way over there. We're gonna go all the way down there. Let's do this. Oh, we're back the road! Let's go! Pathfinder, baby, find that path. Let's go. All right, so we got these homies gonna be on the Whale Pants channel. They're gonna throw hole 18, Solitude. Let's go, send it. Good luck. All right. Dude, that is doing so much. I hope I got it in frame. Center cut, baby. What a shot. Right side. It's doing stuff. That's all right. I believe in you. Fade out, fade out, fade out. Take whole tree with it. That's a pop.
That's so good.
Yeah, dude, nice shot. Nice shot. All the way up there. Is that good? Solitude is a wrap. Didn't lose any discs.
Nope, not a single one.
Threw some good shots, threw some fun shots, made some good putts.
Yeah.
What a day.
So good.
I think it's nice to get out, play some courses that you don't have to feel stressed.
Yeah.
Just get to play the game.
You can throw in another putt if you miss it, or throw another drive if you
Want
didn't
to.
really know the line.
Sure. Just does a lot for your game. So get out, have fun. Thank you, Kesler, for being a part of this. It's good times. Make sure you guys go check him out on all the socials. They'll be linked
Yeah, Kmart
somewhere.
special.
Ayo, ayo.
That's all my socials.
Let's go. Hit him up. Hit him up. All right, everybody, be awesome. We'll catch you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.